5:30, the number of evictions in Louisville are going up, and how city leaders now are working to address the need for more affordable housing. The Metropolitan Housing Coalition released an eviction housing report today detailing the number of people being forced from their homes.
WLKY's Jamie Mays explains the results and how local leaders are working to address the problem.
City leaders say evictions in the metro are on the rise, and they're seeing more tenants in need of financial support to afford rent.
It's a mix of a lack of number of units, a lack of affordable units, a lack of good-paying jobs.
Marilyn Harris, the director of Develop Louisville, says those are just a few of the reasons they're seeing more people facing evictions compared to the start of the pandemic. In 2019, Jefferson County Eviction Court had about 17,160 eviction filings, and so far this year, there have been roughly 14,044. Federal, state, and local policies to address displacement during the pandemic helped lower the number of filings. Harris's office provides assistance for families.
It's hard. It's hard to hear, a tenant say, my kid went to NTI, my other kid didn't have daycare. I had a good job. I was making $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a year.
On Tuesday, the Metropolitan Housing Coalition, in partnership with J.P. Morgan Chase and Kiospo, released a 2021-2022 eviction report. The report found eviction rates rise as you go from east to west across the city of Louisville. And the report found it's directly connected to median household income, as well as the percentage of Black-occupied homes and poverty in the neighborhood. Jamal Wheeler helped conduct the research. His focus was getting a better understanding of the eviction process from the landlord's perspective.
One thing that we found in this study is that, landlords experience the pain of eviction as well. At least some landlords experience the pain of eviction as well.
Harris says while there's still financial support, it's important the community work together to come up with long-term solutions.
We have to make sure that we assess the situation, look at the situation, and develop plans that can kind of tackle all of these things.
Jamie Mays, WLKY News.
And if you need help, there is still federal funding for families struggling to pay rent. We will have more information about how to apply on our website.